Name?
I am Chetan Singh.
Okay, Chetan, in which class do you study?
I study in class 8th.
Okay. Chetan, you know English is very important in our daily life. There is a very important role in our lifestyle. So why English is important? So tell me importance of English.
English is a very important for every person in this world because it is a help to education and knowledge. The English it is always for help, technology and science. That mean English is a very important for every person. Without English, any person cannot be success in his life. Thank you.
Okay, so English is very important because if we want to talk about the technology or science, it also plays very important in the medical sectors and the communication skills. So is English very important? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.